Hey, welcome back to Wealthmaster.
If you're here, it means you're ready to dive into affiliate marketing and make money without spending a single cent on a website. And guess what?
You're in the right place.
So you've probably heard people say, start a blog, buy a domain, get web hosting. But today, I'm going to tell you how I make a full-time income from affiliate marketing without any of that hassle. Yes, no website, no domain fees, no hosting headaches, and still, the money keeps rolling in. Want to know how I do it? Stick around, because this strategy is going to change the way you think about affiliate marketing. Now let's get straight into it. Most people spend hours thinking of the perfect domain name, comparing hosting providers, and setting up a blog. I know, I've been there too. I had not one but two websites, both built with the hope of growing my affiliate marketing business. And while having control over my own platform seemed like a great idea at first, reality hit hard. There's something people don't often talk about when they push the whole start a blog advice, the headaches that come with it. Let me break it down for you, just a few of the struggles I faced. First, the cost. Domain names are cheap, but hosting? Oh boy, that's where they get you. Not to mention, the endless time I spent watching YouTube reviews trying to figure out which hosting provider wouldn't cost me an arm and a leg. And when I finally got my site live, it was slow, buggy, and constantly spammed. Then there's SEO. If you've ever tried ranking a blog on Google, you know that getting traffic to your site can feel like running a marathon in the desert. It's brutal. And the worst part? Even with traffic, converting visitors into actual affiliate sales is no walk in the park. But here's where things take a turn. I realize there's a faster, cheaper, and honestly smarter way to make money with affiliate marketing. And no, it doesn't involve throwing money at a website. So how do I do it? The answer is simple. Social media. Yes, the very platforms you're likely already using every day. Instagram, Medium, YouTube, Pinterest. These platforms are gold mines for affiliate marketers if you know how to use them right. Let me explain why social media is the best route for affiliate marketing, especially if you're just starting out and don't want to invest in a website. When you drive traffic to your blog, especially a new one, the number of people who actually click your affiliate links is tiny. Like super tiny. Think about it. How many times have you visited someone's website from their social media? Probably not often, right? Exactly. And then there's the problem with loading times. If your site takes more than a few seconds to load, people will bounce. And trust me, that happens a lot. My first website took about 16 seconds to load. Yeah, not great. So I ditched the blog and turned to social media. Here's what I love about it. First, it saves time, energy, and most importantly, money. You don't need to invest a single dollar to get started. And the best part? The audience is already there. Millions of people are scrolling through Instagram, browsing Pinterest, reading Medium articles, and watching YouTube videos every single day. All you have to do is tap into that existing audience. Now, let me walk you through the platforms I use and why they work so well for affiliate marketing. First up, Medium. This platform is perfect for long-form content, and you don't need to worry about SEO in the same way you do with a blog. Medium has built-in authority with Google, meaning your articles are more likely to rank without needing advanced SEO knowledge. Plus, there are some rules about promoting affiliate links, but as long as you're transparent, it's a fantastic way to get your links out there. Then there's Instagram. Instagram is amazing for promoting affiliate products, especially if you're in the lifestyle, beauty, or fashion niche. But honestly, it works for almost anything. I run my entire print-on-demand business through Instagram, and I've seen great results with affiliate marketing there too. All it takes is consistency. Post regularly, use the right hashtags, engage with your audience, and boom, sales will start rolling in. Next, YouTube. Everyone's talking about it for a reason. YouTube is a powerful tool for affiliate marketing. You don't even need to be on camera. Tons of successful channels make money through voiceovers and animations. Just provide value, review products, or share tips and tricks, and then add your affiliate links in the description. It's a super effective way to get people clicking those links. And finally, Pinterest. If you're not using Pinterest yet, you're missing out. It's a visual search engine, and it's perfect for driving organic traffic to your affiliate links. What's great about Pinterest is that it's evergreen. Pins you create today can continue to bring in traffic for months, even years, without you having to do anything. So there you have it. The platforms that make affiliate marketing without a website not only possible, but profitable. Here's the bottom line. If you're just starting out, don't waste your time and money setting up a website. Use the resources that are already available to you. Focus on creating content on social media and drive traffic to your affiliate offers from there. I've wasted a lot of time managing websites when I didn't need to, and I don't want you to make the same mistake. Social media has everything you need to succeed in affiliate marketing, and best of all, it's free. Thanks for tuning in. If you found value in this video, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you've got any questions or want to share your own affiliate marketing tips. And of course, check out the description for some awesome affiliate marketing resources. See you in the next video on Wealth Master.
Let's make that money.